So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to unbox and review last year's highest selling iPhone among all the other Apple devices, that is iPhone 12. Along with that we will also try to find out whether you should buy this iPhone 12 in 2022 or not.
So this is the box of iPhone 12. As you can see, it is quite thinner as Apple has removed the adapter from iPhone 12. On the back side you can see that there are some specifications given along with the pricing, but you can get it for quite cheap. So there is nothing. Let's just open the box, and here on the top is the iPhone 12 along with that plastic peel off. Let me just put it aside. Here are some documentations which we always get, designed by Apple in California, and inside it we are getting the SIM ejector tool, yes, and the other documentation stuff. And last is the USP of Apple, that is Apple stickers. Let me just put it down. Let me just put them aside. Here's the iPhone cable which we get inside the box. This is type C cable, as you can see, and on other side we are getting the lightning cable which we have seen on all the earlier iPhone products. There's nothing new. The length of the cable is also nice. Let me just show you the type C cable. Yes, this is type C, and by including this, the Apple has increased its universal connectivity. Let me just peel off the plastic. Yeah, this is iPhone 12. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is quite smudgy, like it has fingerprints all over it, as there are two cameras with small bump. The phone looks quite sturdy in hand. It looks quite premium. It is glossy on front and back. Yes, there are the volume rockers and the alert slider along with the network bands. The buttons are very click through it. The SIM ejection is also there. Stereo speakers are there along with lightning charger. Power button is also there. Let me just put it on. It is glossy from both front and back side, and it has a matte finish all around it. So this is the new Apple's charging brick of 20 watt which is used for fast charging. This is Apple's design logo on it. There is type C port. Let me just show you how it connects. This is how it is connected. It is quite firm. You won't get easily detached.
Moreover, for proceeding to our video we need to grab our device, so let me just do it for you. Jokes apart, let's just talk about the physical overview and the dynamics of this iPhone 12. So this year Apple is offering amazing design with certain changes. The design looks quite stunning with many new colors, as you can see, along with display size of 6.1 inches with pretty smaller and flattened edges, which eventually provides larger and more convenient surface area so that it becomes much more handy and easily operated by one hand as compared to the last year's model. In addition to all this, Apple has now included their most powerful display, that is Super Retina XDR display, along with the OLED panel, which gives a dynamic contrast ratio for providing some amazing color complexion. In addition to it, it has same display technology that we get in iPhone 12 Pro models. Comparing it with the older design, as you can see that the design has changed a lot, but the button and sensor placements are intact. Earlier it was having a curved edges, but this time it is having a flat and round edges with box kind of design, which we had seen earlier few years back in 5 and 5S models. In addition to this, the notch size has also remained the same. So as we are talking about the display and design technologies, let me add some specific points regarding the screen. So this year in iPhone 12, it consists of a ceramic shield front that's the toughest than any other smartphone glass. As this year Apple is claiming that the ceramic shield is most powerful screen which can survive against many damages. In addition to all of this, it possesses IP68 rating which makes this phone more durable. Speaking of more power, let's just talk about its insanely fast and powerful chipset. Yes, that is Apple's A14 Bionic chipset, which will make everything extremely fluid and enables things like 4K Dolby Vision recording. This chipset is incredibly efficient, which gives you all these advanced capabilities while still providing great battery life. Speaking of which, even though it has such powerful display along with extremely powerful chipset, this device will still provide up to 17 hours of video playback and can easily survive for 24 hours on a single charge with moderate usage. Moving towards this year's unique feature, that is MagSafe. It's a magnetic mechanism which makes the charging experience more convenient and faster, as well as it enhances the charging techniques by making it more fluent and smooth. As you can see, you just need to put this case on and then leave it on a wireless charger or MagSafe charger, which will fast charge your device very easily. I am certainly impressed like how Apple is changing its ecosystem and adding as well as enhancing certain features by making our day-to-day stuff and activities to be carried out more and more easily and more effortlessly. Now finally talking about the newly invented camera module of iPhone 12. It possesses new dual camera system consisting of two new lenses of both 12 megapixel. One is ultra-wide and primary lens with wide angle having a focal length of 1.6 aperture, which allows more light to enter within it, which gives less noisy, more brightened and fantastic photos. In addition to this, it also possesses more improved optical image stabilization. So let me just quickly show you how the camera module of an iPhone 12 looks like. As you can see that this is how the camera module of iPhone 12 looks. This is a wide angle lens and now it is the ultra wide lens. As you can see that it has covered the whole area in it. Now let's just move to the portraits. As you can see, these are the portrait mode, different portrait mode which you get in all the iPhone. There is nothing special in it, they all are common in all the iPhones. Let me just quickly show you the video mode. This is how it looks like. It can go up to 4K 60 frames per second, which gives you great quality. Let's just move to the slow motion pictures. As you can see that it gives you 1080 pixels with 2040 frames per second, and also it allows us to record at 720 pixel with 120 frames per second. Now let's just move to the time lapse. As you can see, this is how it looks, and that's it for camera module. Finally, in my conclusion, you should definitely consider this iPhone to buy in 2022, as it is a complete device with minimalistic design but with high-end performance. It can be said that this iPhone can consider as a flagship killer in 2022 with cheap buying options. It is definitely worth buying. It can justify every penny you spent on it. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in next video.